Where are we going, Amelia?
To Legoland!
Yay! Legoland! 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 Legoland!
Can I go in Sport Plus, Daddy?
Yeah, sure. We can go in Sport Plus. Do you want to go in Sport Plus, Sophie?
Oh my gosh, he's so proud right now.
Let's go in Sport Plus.
Oh,
Sport Plus?
not Mummy's favourite.
Oh my goodness.
I do not like Sport Plus.
Okay, we'll go back to comfort mode.
Yeah,
because we've got-
I like Sport Plus because Boogie Man's really...
She likes Sport Plus.
I'm really big at Sport Plus.
Oh, something really happens,
You
doesn't
are-
it, Amelia?
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's got a kick to it, hasn't
We don't
it?
want to make
Again!
one more time.
Oh, don't just mind that pedestrian.
I'll be ready!
Okay, that's enough
An
sport.
actual theme park,
That's-
right?
So in case you didn't notice from the intro, we are going to Legoland. And I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to see how much mile per gallon the CLA45s can do. So it's a long drive, it's like about an hour, and it's mostly M1 with speed limits, so we're going to be going just under 70. As I was saying, so yeah, so we're going to see how much mile per gallon the car can get. Perhaps I'll do the intro separately. Right, then we just need to check our mile per gallon. So
Okay.
silence in the cabin. Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
what's my mile per gallon?
Your average consumption since the start of the journey is 21.7 miles per gallon, and since the last reset, 22.4 miles per gallon.
Okay, so we need to get up to 40.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been about 10 to 15 minutes since we checked, and we were doing 21 mile per gallon. So we're going to ask the car and see if it's improved. Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
what's my mile per gallon?
Your average consumption since the start of the journey is 30.4 miles per gallon, and since the last reset, 22.4 miles per gallon.
So it's already gone up by 10. That is
creeping
amazing.
up.
So we may be able to hit 40 because we've still got quite a lot of the journey left. That's why dash cam telling me it's speed cameras, because the M1 is very boring now. While we're checking the mile per gallon and we've got the camera rolling, how comfortable are you in the AMG performance seats? I'll start with Becky.
I'm okay. They are. We were just talking about this, weren't we? And they are firm seats, which I think is probably better if you've got back problems. So you find these seats really comfortable
I
in your
love
back
them.
because you do have back problems, whereas I don't have back problems, and I have found on occasion I am having to kind of shift around a little bit. I think I'm going to be feeling quite numb by the time we get there.
No, that's cool. We'll do a bum test later. We'll
Bum test,
we'll
yeah.
see how much your bum's
How
hurting.
numb is your
One
bum?
mile, look to the left and then keep right.
I think my bum will be numb by the time we get there.
I'm about to be undertaken, so I can't actually change lane. That's helpful, isn't it? It's nice though, because it beeps to let you know there's
Yeah,
a
there's
car
a little
there.
red arrow flashing in the wing mirror there.
Obviously I could have just nailed it, but I'm keeping the speed limit exactly 70 because I want to see how much mile per gallon we can do, plus the speed cameras. And yeah, of course, we've got Sophie in the back as well, who's going to be reviewing the backseat experience of the car. So how has it been so far?
I would say the backseat experience as a whole is quite good. I have lots of space back here. I don't feel cramped at all. And as far as the seat goes,
Now keep left
it's
and then
quite
keep right.
hard, as Rebecca was saying. I would think at the moment my bum's probably about 10% numb, and I do predict that's going to increase
Yeah.
in the
Great.
next hour.
So the mile per gallon's going to go up.
Let's do a score out of 10. I would say right
Now
now,
keep right onto M25 and then keep right.
I would say right now, out of 10, my bum numbness is maybe a 1 or a 2 out of 10.
Yeah.
But let's see how it feels a bit later, because we still have a good 45 minutes on our journey right now, don't we?
And my bum is doing fantastic. I'm at 0.
You're a 0?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's good.
Well, I would say I'm like a 2 out of 10 and you're a 1 out of 10.
Yeah.
And I'm 3.
You're a 3, okay.
Okay, Amelia's a 3.
She's 3
Right
years
onto
old.
M25.
So the general experience though, the sunroof and the space is really nice. It's just the seat is quite hard.
Yeah, yeah.
That sounds good. That's absolutely fair. So we shall see
See how it feels in a little while.
Yes.
as we continue. To be continued.
To be continued. Watch this space.
TBC.
Yeah, you have to watch the end of the video so you can find out how sore my wife's bum is.
Charming.
Can't wait.
Thanks for that.
That's audience retention right there. Who's not going to wait for that?
On the edge of your seats. So sitting back here, it feels almost like I'm on a roller coaster, because you've got these hard plastic or whatever material this is, this hard seats in front of you. And when Adam did the Sport Plus, it was literally like, what's that roller coaster at Disney World?
Oh, rock and roller coaster?
The rock and roller coaster is
you've
what
got
I
that-
felt like I was on. The
got that
G-force.
acceleration,
Yeah.
It feels crazy in the back of the car.
It actually does, yeah. And sitting here looking at the back of this seat, I did feel like I was on a ride.
Yeah.
I love these seats. They've got little tickle holes.
I think it's great having this, especially when it's a nice day and
Yeah.
you can see the really lovely colour of the sky and everything.
It's really nice back here.
Right, we've been driving and we've been singing along, and we didn't realise it's been probably another 10 to 15 minutes. So it's time for a mile per gallon check and also the bum check.
Yeah.
Hey Mercedes,
How can I help?
what's my mile per gallon?
Your average consumption since the start of the journey is 33.6 miles per gallon, and since the last reset, 22.6 miles per gallon.
Oh, so it's gone up by another 2 mile per gallon. I think, was it 31?
I think it was 31 last time.
I think so, yep. So it keeps going up. Will we hit 40? So I guess now it's time to check on the bums. So how is your bum first, Becky?
I would say it's definitely still sitting at like a 2 out of 10, but I feel like I'm creeping more towards like a 3 now. I was a 1 or a 2, and now I may be a 2 or a 3 out of 10. It's not uncomfortable, it's just it could be a lot more comfortable than it is for me.
That's fair. I'm still at a 0. My buns are steel. And how about you in the back, Sophie? How are you doing?
Well, I agree with Rebecca, it's not super uncomfortable, but I'm just noticing that it kind of dips at the bottom and then it comes up and it feels kind of like a lump, and I think that's kind of what's making it feel uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Because I'm like slouched back a bit, if I was to be sitting straight upright with my back right against the seat, that I probably wouldn't be on that lump part, but because I'm kind of slouched back. But yeah, it's alright.
All right. Yeah. How about you?
Too bad.
How about you, Amelia? What number are you, Amelia? Still a 3, solid 3.
I'm actually going to change my answer. Now that we've been sat thinking about it, I've become aware that the numbness is spreading up to my lower back and down the back of my leg a little bit more.
Oh dear.
So, yeah, I've become more aware of it. So hang on a minute. So I think that I'm actually going more towards a 4 out of 10 now.
Okay. Yes, Amelia?
Yeah.
Not yet, almost.
Here's the timer. Like, I've definitely moved up to a 3.
Yeah,
Okay.
I would say I'm
3.5.
I'm nearly like a 4.
God, this has escalated quickly.
Look, it's bigger. See that
Well, I
it's
just
bigger?
all of a sudden, I've become more aware of it, and I'm moving to comfortable but coping, and now I'm moving into the realm of actually uncomfortable.
Yeah, no, that's. How long have you been driving for, would you say? I've lost track.
An hour, because if we had...
No, I don't think we've been an hour yet. I think we've been about 40 minutes.
I would say we've been driving about.
20 minutes. 20 minutes.
I think we left at 10 past.
Okay.
So I think we've been driving about 45 minutes.
Yeah, that makes sense. So actually, that's not too bad considering it's 45 minutes. These seats are definitely built for the driver and not for the passengers. But yeah,
Yes.
miles per gallon is impressive. Will we hit 40 and will the bums reach 10? To be continued.
Keep watching.
Okay, it's been another 10 minutes, so let's see how we're doing with the mile per gallon. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
what's my mile per gallon?
The average consumption since start adds up to 35.3 miles per gallon. Since reset, 22.6 miles per gallon.
Oh, we're going there, we're
That's
35.
gone up another 2.
Yeah, it keeps going up. It makes you wonder how much it could get in total. In this drive, we're aiming for 40, but could it go even higher? Who knows? But of course, we have to do the bum check as well. So we'll start with my wife.
5.
5. Oh no, it's escalated.
I'm getting uncomfortable now. We've got about 15 minutes left of our journey. And yeah, so we've been driving for a solid 50 minutes at this point, and my back is now starting to ache. So I'm a 5 right now, but I will soon be a 6 out of 10 for feeling quite uncomfortable.
That sounds good. That's kind of what I expected. I'm surprised you're not really at 10, to be honest. So that's not too bad. I'm still absolutely fine because I'm holding the steering wheel. How are you in the back, Sophie?
Thoroughly entertained by Amelia.
Yeah.
But other than that, I'm up to a 4 of uncomfortability.
She says a 4.
A 4, yeah, that's not too bad. The back.
Yeah, it's not terrible. I could not do a long. I couldn't do. I really wouldn't want to do anything over 2 hours. I think.
Oh my gosh, I definitely not. I think 90 minutes would be my limit in this car.
Well, you can enjoy when we drive down to the pool. Although actually I'm driving.
No, we're driving separately.
Oh yeah, because I'm going to a wedding. Which...
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, that's fine. That means I can drive in race mode.
We need a memory foam.
Oh no, that's good so far. Will we hit 40 miles per gallon? Stay tuned.
Now take the first exit at the roundabout.
We're here. I just saw the lion. Are we having a park spot?
Yeah, we're gonna get a parking spot. Yeah, we're gonna get a good spot, Amelia. We always get a good spot, don't we?
Yeah.
Legoland.
We have arrived at Legoland.
Yay!
Are you excited, Amelia? Yeah, she's nodding her head. Right, so we need to do the final mile per gallon check. We've just been going through some like tight streets which might have killed our mile per gallon, but let's see. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
what's my mile per gallon?
The average consumption since start adds up to 34.0 miles per
Ooh.
gallon.
went
Since
down a bit.
reset,
It's gone down.
22.6 miles per gallon.
So we didn't hit 40, but we got 35. I think there's a reason why we didn't hit 40, and I'm going to look into that, so to be continued. But the second most important test, how are the bums doing?
I'm a 6 out of 10 for numbness at
6.
this point. Yeah.
And that's what, an hour and 10-minute journey?
Yeah. An hour and 15. Yeah, my back is aching now too.
And how are you, Sophie? How was it for you in the back?
It's probably been pretty stable now at a 3 to 4.
3 or 4.
3 to 4?
Yeah,
That's
I
not
think
bad.
if I was to do it again, I would probably just bring something like a thin blanket to sit on, and that would make a difference, I think.
Yeah.
But
No,
I
that's a
wouldn't
good
want to
idea.
do a long journey. It wouldn't be my first choice to do it back here.
And how was the journey for you, Amelia? Were you comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was.
I'm scared of boogie now.
Was
And
Boogie Bag
scary
comfortable?
Boogeyman.
Fantastic. Well, we're here. We're going to have a fantastic day now. We're all very excited. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the ride, guys. I'll see you next time.
Bye.